Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Ako po ay si Tatiana Batalya, anak ni Carlo Batalya. Mula noong itinatag ang Batalya Cares, ang layunan namin ay magbigay ng compassion, equality, at empowerment sa lahat. Today is a reminder that our work is about giving the others the chance to move forward, literally and figuratively. These wheelchairs symbolize dignity and hope. Together, let's build a future where no one is left behind.
Growing up with Batalya Cares, I've seen how small actions can create big changes. Hindi namin nakakalimutan ang bawat recipient na nagsabing ang wheelchair na natanggap niya ang nagbigay ng lakas ng loob sa kanila. Pati mga mahal nila sa buhay ay nagpapasalamat sa mga wheelchairs na natanggap nila. Moments like these tend to remind me of how important it is to be thankful for everything that happens in our lives, to bring hope and dignity to others. Together, let's continue to make Barangay San Antonio de Padua a stronger and more compassionate community.
Mga wheelchairs na ito ay hindi lang regalo. They are tools for independence and dignity. We're proud to share this advocacy with all of you. Thank you for trusting in Batalya Cares and our mission.